In a quiet village, surrounded by greenery and flowing rivers, lived an old man named Haroon. He was a simple farmer, not rich, not famous, yet every person in the village respected him. People often wondered, how does he remain so calm and content, while others are always rushing, complaining, and chasing after everything? One day, a young man named Elive, who had recently come to the village, approached Haroon with restlessness in his heart. He said, "Uncle, I'm doing everything. I have dreams, I have goals, and I work hard. But still, I feel lost. I start things and leave them. I make plans and break them. Time is slipping from my hands. How do you stay so calm and in control?" Haroon looked at Elive for a few moments, then smiled and said, "Come, let's go." They both walked on a narrow path by the fields, a path that led into the forest. Soon they stopped near a small river. Haroon said, "Look at this water. It is neither too fast nor too slow. It just flows. Every single day, it cleans the stones, smooths the soil, and gives life to everything around it. This is discipline." Elive stood silent, a little surprised. Haroon smiled and said, "Let me tell you my story. Many years ago, I was just like you. I wanted everything: wealth, respect, success. I tried many paths, started businesses, tried to write a book, even learned music, but I never stayed with anything for long. I got bored quickly, left it, and blamed the world." Elive asked softly, "Then what changed?" Haroon looked into the distance and said, "One day, I went to a teacher in the mountains. I told him the same things. 'You are telling me today.' The teacher stayed silent. Then he gave me a clay pot and said, 'Every day, bring water from the river and pour it into this tank. Do this for 40 days. At first, I was surprised. It felt too simple, but I obeyed, rain or shine, tired or not. Every morning, I walked the same path to the same river with the same pot. The first days were boring, but slowly, something inside me began to change. I woke up earlier. My mind became clear and sharp. I noticed the sound of birds, the rising of the sun, the rhythm of my steps. Everything became alive. On the 40th day, the teacher said, 'Now you have learned the secret. Discipline is not punishment. It is training. It is love. It is freedom from the chaos inside.' Haroon picked up a small stone from the river. 'Look at this,' he said. 'If you pour water once, nothing happens. But if a drop falls every day, over the years, even a stone will change. That is the power of small actions, done consistently.' Elive stood quietly. Haroon gently said, 'Son, do not wait for motivation. Do not keep chasing perfect plans. Just choose one path. Show up every day, whether it is boring, whether anyone sees you or not. Life does not reward you for one big effort. It rewards you for what you do again and again.' Without giving up, they walked back to the village. The sun was setting behind the mountains. From that day on, Elive changed. He stopped running after many things and chose one path. He started waking up early, following routines, facing distractions calmly. It was not easy, but slowly, his life began to transform. The villagers noticed he was no longer the restless young boy. He had become steady and peaceful, like the river that never stopped. Yet change is everything in its way, and all of this he gained from only one thing: discipline, starting small and doing it every single day.